Welcome back to another powerful heavy equipment video. And today we're diving into real mining action with the Cat 365C and Cat 245B excavators loading coal onto Mercedes and MAN dump trucks at Interkat SA. If you love big machines, smooth loading cycles, and skillful operator control, this is exactly the kind of footage you'll enjoy. These excavators might look like giant steel monsters, but every move they make is precise, fast, and calculated. The 245C takes the spotlight first. This machine is a true workhorse. Massive hydraulic power, a strong boom, and the ability to scoop up tons of material in just one bucket. You'll see how the operator keeps a tight, efficient cycle. Dip into the coal, curl, lift, swing, and dump. No wide swings, no wasted motion, no hesitation. That's how professional operators increase production. The shorter the swing angle, the faster the truck gets loaded, and the less fuel the machine burns. Alongside it, the Cat 245B is working just as smoothly. It may be an older model, but it still delivers impressive performance. Where the 365C handles the heavy bulk digging, the 245B focuses on shaping piles, cleaning edges, and topping off the dump trucks to get an even, balanced load. In real mining work, precision matters. Uneven loading wastes time, causes material spills, and can even damage truck suspension. A good operator makes sure every bucket lands exactly where it should. You'll also notice something professional about this job site: truck positioning. The Mercedes and MAN dump trucks aren't parked randomly. They line up at the perfect angles so the excavators don't have to swing too far left or right. Less swing means faster loading, faster cycle time, and more trucks loaded per hour. In mining, every second matters. The faster trucks move in and out, the more production the site gets. Coal dust is everywhere, but everyone is wearing proper safety gear: helmets, reflective vests, gloves, and sometimes masks. Heavy machinery isn't just about power, it's about responsibility. Operators must control thousands of pounds of moving steel while keeping the site safe. A single mistake can damage equipment or injure a worker, which is why professional operators are calm, steady, and always focused. Watch the bucket control closely. No jerking, no banging, no wasted scoops. That's how you save fuel, protect hydraulics, and extend the machine's life. Smooth operators don't fight their machines. They move with them. The Cat 365C fills trucks fast, and the Cat 245B finishes the load perfectly. When the truck reaches full capacity, the driver gets a clear signal. shifts out, and the next truck is already waiting. That's real job site efficiency. If you're an operator or want to become one, there's a lot to learn here. Always keep your swing short. Place the material in the center of the truck bed, avoid overloading, and never rush a dump. Smooth and controlled is always faster in the long run. For drivers, this footage is educational too. Stay focused, hold your line, and let the excavator finish the load without sudden movement. Safe coordination between truck and excavator keeps everyone productive. These machines aren't just equipment, they're production machines that turn Earth into profit. And when skilled operators handle them, the job gets done faster, safer, and cheaper. Watching the Cat 365C and Cat 245B working together is like seeing a heavy steel orchestra. Big power, big noise, but perfect rhythm. If you enjoyed this heavy equipment action, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and share the video with other machine lovers. More excavators, more power, more real site footage coming soon. Enjoy the action, and thanks for watching.